Whoa, markets are crashing like a house of cards in a hurricane. But guess what? One stock is standing tall, refusing to budge. Could Palantir be the hero we didn't see coming? Stick around, this might change how you think about investing. Hey everyone, welcome back to Data Dispatch. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the wild world of the stock market sell-off. You know, those scary days when everything seems to be falling apart? Well, amidst all that chaos, Palantir, a company that helps with big data and AI, is holding strong. No, it's not immune to the storm, but it's like a sturdy ship in rough waters. By the end of this video, you'll understand why Palantir matters, what its strength means for you, and simple strategies to spot similar opportunities. Whether you're new to investing or have some experience, this could help you feel more confident in tough times. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. The market storm. First, picture this. The stock market is like a giant playground game. Right now, everyone's panicking and selling their toys because they're scared of losing. We've seen choppy days with big drops. Think of it as a falling knife, sharp and dangerous. The fear and greed index is at extreme fear, meaning people are super worried. But remember what Warren Buffett says, when others are greedy, be fearful. When others are fearful, be greedy. These are the moments where smart moves can pay off big time. For example, imagine you're at a lemonade stand sale. Everyone's rushing to buy when it's sunny. But when a storm hits and prices drop, that's when you scoop up extras at a bargain. The market's been like that lately, with tech stocks tumbling. But not everything is sinking. Let's talk about Palantir. Step 2. Palantir's standout performance. Okay, let's get to the star of the show, Palantir. Right now, it's trading around $171, testing a key support level at $170. That's like a safety net in a circus act. If it holds, great things could happen. Today, it dipped about 1.6%, and in overnight trading, it's at 169.10. But here's the cool part. Last week, it dropped to 165 and bounced back hard, reclaiming that 170 level. It's resilient, like a rubber ball that keeps popping up. Why? Palantir is a leader in AI software. Think of it as a super smart detective that helps companies solve mysteries with data. It doesn't have tons of competitors, so it's like being the only kid with the best toy in the sandbox. No big bad news hit it. It's just riding out the market's mood swings. I use Palantir as a barometer for the AI world. If AI is a bubble, as some people claim, Palantir's holding steady suggests the hype might still be real. Real-life example. During past sell-offs, AI stocks like this one often recover fast because companies keep investing in tech. It's not just hype. Capital spending on AI is still strong. So, while others panic, Palantir's valuation looks attractive. Curious? What do you think? Is AI here to stay? Step 3. What this means for you. Now, what can you learn from this? First, don't chase falling knives. Timing the perfect bottom is tricky, like trying to catch a slippery fish. Instead, focus on conviction trades. If you're bullish on AI long-term, Palantir could be a smart pick, but manage risk. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Dollar cost averaging, buying a little at a time, helps avoid big mistakes. Analogy time. Think of investing like planting seeds. In a drought, sell-off, some seeds wilt, but strong ones like Palantir keep growing. With Nvidia's earnings coming Wednesday, this could spark a market reversal. If rates drop or data shows a cooling economy, we might see a bounce. Urgency alert. Markets wait for no one. Opportunities like this don't last forever. For beginners, start small. Watch for support levels, like Palantir's 170. Intermediates, use tools like RSI to spot oversold movements. Remember, extreme fear often means a buying chance. What's your biggest investing fear? Share in the comments. But will Palantir keep holding? We'll circle back to that. Step 4. Final thoughts and next steps. To wrap this up, Palantir's strength in a sell-off shows the power of picking leaders in hot trends like AI. It's motivational. It reminds us that not every storm sinks the ship. This got you pumped about Palantir or AI investing? Smash that like button. Subscribe for more market breakdowns. We're almost at 28,000 subs. Let's hit it together. Drop a comment. What's your take on Palantir? Bullish or bearish? And tag a friend who needs this advice. Your engagement keeps us going. Thanks for watching, folks. Remember, markets go up and down, but knowledge keeps you steady. Stay positive, invest wisely, and catch you next time when we dissect NVIDIA's earnings. Could it be the game changer? Peace out.